What is that?
A llama.
What's in the box?
Yes, dude.
Only can do that, and this is our life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like it.
It's a hairplane. I don't think it's a hairplane.
An airplane.
It's not an airplane either. Look closer.
It's a helicopter.
All right, let's open it. You can help?
Whoa. Get out, get out, get out.
Oh, look, Link, look.
Wow. Whoa. Mommy,
That looks pretty cool.
is there a switch on here?
Oh my.
Look
There.
at that thing.
Hold on.
Hey, Link, what is this?
A remote controller? Wow.
Whoopsies.
I guess it's.
All right, let's try it again. Whoa, where'd he go? There it is. Come back down, little helicopter. Oh, God!
Found the sidewalk. I found the only piece of sidewalk.
Oh, there it goes, guys. Where are you going? Come back. Oh, God. Oh, you almost landed. Let's try it inside. Okay, you ready? Let's see if it's connected. You have to push this little button here to see if it's connected. Push it. It is. The light turned off. So watch. You push this button to see if it's connected. So there we go. Push. Light on. Light off. Okay. It's connected. Let's see if it will go. So we use these controls. Watch this. See if it'll work. Well, steering is difficult. Uh-oh. Go get it. Put it back out in the middle so it's got lots of room. You have to make sure that it's out in the middle so it has lots of room to do stuff. Steer it a little bit. That's good. Turn. Oh! That's a good spot, Link. Thank you. Okay. What? This is when you need to go up. Not too far, not too far. Now let go. Let go of it. And use this to steer it. There you go.
Whoa.
Hey! Alright, Bubba. I will control the up, you will control the around. Are you ready?
It's going up.
Because you're spinning it. Oh, we landed almost.
Almost.
It almost landed all the way right up. Alright, here we go. There you go, you're steering it around. Oh, there's a wall there. Oops, I ran it into the wall, didn't I? Oopsie. Ready?
Land it. Oh, no.
Ta-da! Whoa!
Don't go.
Hey! That wasn't a crash, it's standing up. It's still good. Look out. I'm gonna go again.
Don't scare me. I'm gonna go. No.
Ah! Oops. Ready? Set. wall.
Yo.
You get after Bubba has one more turn, Daddy. Right there, perfect. All right, you ready, Link? Here we go. Wow. Wow.
And you landed it.
How about that? Yeah, we need to charge it. Bummer.
I hate.
This game is.
Smile pretty, Daddy.
Ah.
Later that day.
Ooh, you.
All right, it's Daddy's turn. Everybody ready?
Ah, let's go.
Whoa. Here you go. Put it in my hand, Daddy. You gotta put it in my hand. Oh, oh, oh. Hey! Everyone give Daddy a round of applause! Considering that was his very first time, he's practically an expert. Okay, go. Can you put it in Luna's hand, Daddy?
I will try.
Oh, it was so close. Oh, and a tiny crash. Come sit. Let's sit. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh, crash. Okay, you ready?
Get up, get up, get up. Up, no, Daddy, go for me! Go for me!
Right.
We landed it, Luna. Good job! Okay, ready, Luna? Here we go. Oh! Uh-oh. All right, looks like
Landed it.
Yep, we did. All right, Link's turn, baby girl.
Minky turn,
One more little turn and then Bubba's turn. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, I thought we were going into the chair. Almost. I thought we were.
Yes, dude. Where are you going, Daddy? Ow! That did not feel good. Over there.
You have to steer it over there. Where is it? There it is. I don't think you're going to be able to catch it this time, Scoop down. If you move too much. Alright, are you going to land or what, Daddy? Yay! Oh! Ooh, crash. Here I go. Nope.
Nope.
Why are it? No, it's dead. I think it died.
Thanks for playing with us. Bye. Comment if you found the llama.